Ready to get your South Carolina driver's license? Today, we're tackling 50 essential practice questions to help you ace the DMV written test. The official exam has 30 questions, and you need 24 correct to pass. But mastering these 50 will give you the ultimate edge. Let's jump right in.
A person may legally ride in the back of a pickup truck when A. The sides of the pickup bed are at least 24 inches high. B. The back of the pickup is covered with a camper shell. C. In secured seats and using approved safety belts. And the answer is C. In secured seats and using approved safety belts. Warning signs are A. Triangular. B. Diamond-shaped. C. Rectangular. And the answer is B. Diamond-shaped. This sign means A. No passing zone ahead. B. Narrow bridge ahead. Slow down and drive with caution. C. Do not enter if your vehicle is taller than the height listed on the sign. And the answer is C. Do not enter if your vehicle is taller than the height listed on the sign. Where should you stop your vehicle if there is no crosswalk or limit line? A. 20 feet before the corner. B. Just past the corner. C. At the corner. And the answer is C. At the corner. This regulatory sign tells drivers that A. Traffic in the right lane must go straight. B. All vehicles must turn left immediately. C. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. And the answer is C. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. Who has the right-of-way at an intersection with no crosswalks? A. Pedestrians, but only with the green walk signal. B. Pedestrian always have the right-of-way. C. Vehicles, but they should slow down and be careful. And the answer is B. Pedestrian always have the right-of-way. You should stop before crossing railroad tracks. A. If your vehicle has 3 or more axles. B. Anytime a train may be approaching, whether or not you can see it. C. Even when the railroad tracks are out of service. And the answer is B. Anytime a train may be approaching, whether or not you can see it. When should you yield your legal right-of-way? A. Often, even at controlled intersections. B. When it helps prevent collisions. C. Never, it confuses other drivers. And the answer is B. When it helps prevent collisions. This sign warns drivers of A bridge ahead, wide enough to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic, but with very little clearance. B. A reduction of lanes. C. A dip in the road. Drivers should be ready to stop if the dip is filled with water. And the answer is A bridge ahead, wide enough to accommodate 2 lanes of traffic, but with very little clearance. What do warning signs mean? A. Drivers are approaching a location where there is a special rule. B. Danger ahead. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. There is 1 lane in your direction and the vehicle ahead of you often slows down for no apparent reason. In this situation you should A. Increase the following distance between you and the other vehicle. B. Flash your headlight quickly to alert the other drivers. C. Pass the vehicle as soon as possible. And the answer is A. Increase the following distance between you and the other vehicle. This sign warns of A. Ahead. A. Soft shoulder. B. No passing zone. C. Hill. And the answer is C. Hill. Drivers should check their rearview mirrors. A. Often to see how traffic is moving behind them. B. Only when slowing down. C. To see if a truck is in their blind spot. And the answer is A. Often to see how traffic is moving behind them. This sign means A. Road slippery when wet. Drive slowly. B. Winding road ahead. Drive with caution. C. The road will curve to the right, then to the left. And the answer is A. Road slippery when wet. Drive slowly. Drivers may need more space in front of their vehicle. A. When carrying a heavy load or pulling a trailer. B. When following motorcycles. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. Vehicles entering or exiting a roundabout. A. Must slow down. B. Must yield to all traffic. C. Have the right of way. And the answer is B. Must yield to all traffic. You reach an intersection that is not controlled at the same time as a driver on your right, and both of you prepare to go straight. Who has the right of way? A. The other driver. B. No one. C. You. And the answer is A. The other driver. This red and white sign means A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. B. Do not enter the road ahead unless it is safe to do so. C. The road ahead is closed to traffic in all directions. And the answer is A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. While driving, you should look 10 to 15 seconds ahead of you. A. Because it's a legal requirement. B. Focus solely on the middle of the road. C. To see potential hazards early. And the answer is C. To see potential hazards early. When is it legal to leave a child 6 years of age or younger unattended in a motor vehicle? A. If the child is supervised by a person 12 years or older. B. When weather conditions present health or safety risk to the child. C. When keys left in the ignition could result in injuries. And the answer is A. If the child is supervised by a person 12 years or older. This road sign means A. The center lane in both directions of travel will soon turn left. B. The center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. C. Vehicles may only travel in the center lane. And the answer is B. The center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. Which child requires a child restraint system? A. A 6-year-old who is 4 feet 10 inches tall. B. A 7-year-old who is 4 feet 7 inches tall. C. An 8-year-old who is 4 feet 9 inches tall. And the answer is B. A 7-year-old who is 4 feet 7 inches tall. What does this road sign indicate? A. Area reserved for people with disabilities. B. Hospital service. C. Interstate highway. And the answer is B. Hospital service. For which of the following traffic lights must you always stop your vehicle? A. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and yellow lights. B. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and blacked out traffic signals. C. Solid red lights, red arrows, and flashing yellow lights. And the answer is B. Solid red lights, flashing red lights, and blacked out traffic signals. When drivers come to this sign, they must A. Warn other drivers that a stop sign is ahead. B. Brake sharply and come to a complete stop. C. Be ready to stop at the stop sign. And the answer is C. Be ready to stop at the stop sign. If cars approaching from opposite directions reach an intersection at the same time, A. A car that turns left must yield to cars that move straight or turn right. B. A car that moves straight must yield to cars that turn left. C. A car that turns right must yield to cars that move straight or turn left. And the answer is A. A car that turns left must yield to cars that move straight or turn right. An octagonal sign means that drivers must A. Exceed the speed limit. B. Pass red lights. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. This sign means A. The divided highway ends ahead. B. Reversible lane ahead. C. Drivers are coming to a point where another traffic lane joins the one they are on. And the answer is A. The divided highway ends ahead. A peace officer is signaling you to drive to the edge of the roadway. You decide to ignore the officer's warning and flee the scene. You are guilty of a misdemeanor and can be punished by being A. Fined up to $2,000. B. Given a warning and a citation. C. Jailed in the country jail for not more than 1 year. And the answer is C. Jailed in the country jail for not more than 1 year. Highways are typically most slippery. A. After it has been raining for a long time. B. During a heavy rainstorm in the middle of the summer. C. When it first starts to rain after a dry spell. And the answer is C. When it first starts to rain after a dry spell. The sign in the picture A. Is displayed on the rear of slow-moving vehicles. B. Is found at most intersections and indicates that drivers must yield to other vehicles. C. Is a construction and maintenance traffic control sign. And the answer is A. Is displayed on the rear of slow-moving vehicles. Your red traffic signal changes to green while a pedestrian is crossing in your traffic lane. The right-of-way should be given A. To the pedestrian. B. By the pedestrian. C. By the pedestrian, but only when vehicles are turning left. And the answer is A. To the pedestrian. This sign means A. Parking is not allowed at 8:30 a.m. and at 5:30 p.m. B. No parking between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. C. You can only park between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. And the answer is B. No parking between 8:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. When parking your vehicle on any hill, A. Your front wheels should be parallel to the road if there is no curb. B. Use your parking brake and leave the vehicle in gear or park. C. One of your rear wheels should touch the curb. And the answer is B. Use your parking brake and leave the vehicle in gear or park. You are entering a roundabout with multiple lanes, and you need to turn right at the intersection. You must A. Choose either lane and exit in the lane you entered. B. Choose the right-hand lane and exit in the right-hand lane. C. Choose the left-hand lane and exit. And the answer is B. Choose the right-hand lane and exit in the right-hand lane. A four-way stop sign means A. There are 4 stop signs at the intersection. B. The first vehicle to reach the intersection should move forward first. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. As you drive on the freeway, make sure A. Your directional signal goes off before you change lanes. B. To signal all lane changes. C. You cut off vehicles behind you when you change lanes. And the answer is B. To signal all lane changes. It is legal to drive with an alcoholic beverage container that has been opened if the container is A. In the glove compartment. B. In the trunk. C. Under the front seat. And the answer is B. In the trunk. Which of the following signs has a red background? A. Do not enter. B. Stop. C. All of the above. And the answer is C. All of the above. This road sign indicates that A. Buses and carpools may not travel in the restricted lane. B. A lane is reserved for certain purposes or certain vehicles. C. Vehicles cannot go straight ahead and must turn either to the right or left. And the answer is B. A lane is reserved for certain purposes or certain vehicles. When sharing the road with a light rail vehicle, you A. May turn in front of an approaching light rail vehicle at an uncontrolled intersection. B. May not drive in the lane next to the light rail vehicle. C. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. And the answer is C. Should monitor all traffic signals closely because light rail vehicles can interrupt traffic signals. This white sign means drivers A. Must wait for the solid green light before they turn left. B. May turn left only on a green arrow. C. May turn left on a green light when it is safe to do so. And the answer is C. May turn left on a green light when it is safe to do so. When can you drive using only your parking lights? A. On foggy days when visibility is low. B. 30 minutes after sunset or 30 minutes before sunrise. C. Under no circumstances. And the answer is C. Under no circumstances. What is the main reason night driving is more difficult than daytime driving? A. The use of headlight is required by law. B. Driving within the range. C. Reduced visibility. And the answer is C. Reduced visibility. This road sign warns drivers that A. The dirt on the side of the road is soft. B. Vehicles must leave the pavement immediately. C. The road surface ahead changes to a low-type surface or earth road. And the answer is C. The road surface ahead changes to a low-type surface or earth road. A school bus with flashing red lights is on the other side of a divided highway. You A. Must slow down and prepare to stop. B. Do not need to stop. C. Must stop and remain stopped until the lights stop flashing. And the answer is B. Do not need to stop. When driving at night with no other vehicles ahead, a driver should use A. High beam lights. B. Low beam lights. C. Parking lights. And the answer is A. High beam lights. This sign means A. The lane ahead is reserved for bicycles. B. Warning, a bikeway crosses the roadway ahead. C. Bicycles must yield to vehicles ahead. And the answer is B. Warning, a bikeway crosses the roadway ahead. The maximum speed limit for ideal driving conditions is A. The posted speed. B. The speed of other vehicles traveling in your direction. C. The speed of oncoming vehicles. And the answer is A. The posted speed. Speed limit signs are A. Service signs. B. Warning signs. C. Regulatory signs. And the answer is C. Regulatory signs.